welcome. The topic of today's video is malloc in C. So, in this video, we will see what is the use of malloc, how to use the malloc, and what is the purpose of malloc. So, malloc is a standard function in C language. There are two types of function in C language: user-defined function, which is defined by user, and standard function, which are already included in C language. So, malloc is a standard function in C language, which is included in the library stdlib.h. So, what is the purpose of malloc? The purpose of malloc is to allocate the memory at runtime. Then it dynamically allocates the memory. Now, there are two ways to allocate the memory through static and dynamic way. In static way, the memory is already allocated at compile time, while in dynamic allocation, the memory is allocated at runtime. So it allocates the single contiguous block of memory. So it will always return the single contiguous block of memory. So and it will return the pointer to the allocated memory. If memory is not allocated, then it will return the null. So the syntax is void star malloc size. Now the size here. So size should be always unsigned integer. Now there are two types of integer. Signed integer and unsigned integer. Signed integer include negative value, while unsigned integer include positive value. So size should be positive, so that's why it should be unsigned integer. Now let us see one example how malloc allocate the memory. So here I declare integer pointer integer star ptr is equal to integer star malloc 4 into size of t. So the size of integer is 4 bytes. So it will allocate total 16 bytes of memory and PTR will point to it. So this is the example. And if the memory is not allocated, then the value of PTR will be null. So in this example, we will see so how the memory is allocated through malloc. Integer star PTR is equal to integer star malloc 3 into size of t. So this is the type conversion to integer. So if PTR is exactly equal to null, means if memory is not allocated here, then we'll print memory not allocated, else printf memory is allocated. So this is how we can check whether the memory is actually allocated or not using malloc function. And the memory is dynamically memory is allocated always in the heap, and malloc doesn't know what it is pointing to. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.